Welcome. Take a moment for yourself. Find a comfortable position. Allow your body to settle. Let your hands rest naturally. If you feel comfortable, gently close your eyes. Take a slow breath in through your nose and slowly breathe out. Again, breathe in and breathe out. One more time. In and out. Now let your breathing become natural. There's nothing to force, nothing to control. Simply breathe. Imagine yourself standing on a quiet beach. It is early morning. The world is peaceful. The first rays of sunlight are gently rising above the horizon. The sky is painted with soft shades of gold, pink, and light blue. The air is fresh, cool, comfortable. You begin to walk slowly across the warm sand. Each step feels soft beneath your feet. The sand welcomes you, supporting you effortlessly. You hear the gentle rhythm of the ocean, wave after wave, coming in and flowing back, always moving, always peaceful, always present. Allow your breathing to naturally follow the rhythm of the sea. As each wave approaches, breathe in. As each wave returns, breathe out. There is no rush. The ocean has nowhere to be. Neither do you. Feel the gentle breeze touching your face. Soft, refreshing, comforting. The breeze carries away every thought that no longer serves you. Every worry, every expectation, every tension. Look out across the endless horizon. The ocean stretches beyond what your eyes can see. Calm, limitless, beautiful, just like the quiet space within your own mind. Notice the sunlight dancing across the surface of the water. Thousands of tiny reflections shimmer like diamonds. Each sparkle reminds you of the light that already exists inside you. Take another slow breath. Feel your shoulders relaxing, your jaw becoming soft, your forehead smooth, your eyes completely relaxed. Now allow the sound of the waves to wash through your entire body. Imagine every wave carrying peaceful energy toward you, and every retreating wave gently taking away stress, breathing in calm, breathing out tension, breathing in peace, breathing out anything you no longer need. Feel your neck relaxing, your shoulders becoming lighter, your arms heavy and comfortable, your hands completely at rest. Relax your chest, your heart, your stomach, your lower back, your hips, your legs, your knees, your calves, your ankles, your feet. Your entire body feels supported by the earth. Now imagine sitting comfortably on the sand. The waves continue their timeless rhythm. The sound surrounds you, gentle, safe, familiar. You feel completely protected. The ocean reminds you that everything in life comes and goes. Thoughts come, thoughts go. Feelings come, feelings go. Just like the waves. Nothing needs to be held on to. Everything can flow naturally. Take a long, slow breath and let it go. Notice how peaceful your mind has become. Not because every thought disappeared, but because you no longer need to chase them. You simply observe, like watching the waves from the shore. The warm sunlight gently touches your skin, filling every part of your body with golden light. This light brings healing, calm, balance, confidence, gratitude. Silently repeat these words. I am calm. I am safe. I am present. I am enough. I choose peace. Allow these words to settle deeply within you. Like gentle waves reaching the shore. Again, I am calm. I am safe. I am present. I am enough. I choose peace. Remain here for a few quiet moments, simply breathing, simply listening, simply being. Long pause. As this meditation begins to come to an end, bring your awareness back to your breathing. Notice the natural rhythm of your breath. Feel the surface supporting your body. Become aware of the room around you. Slowly begin to move your fingers, your hands, your toes. Stretch gently if it feels comfortable. Take one final deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Carry the peaceful rhythm of the ocean with you into your day, into your work, into your relationships. Whenever life feels overwhelming, remember, the calm of the sea is always within you. Thank you for sharing this peaceful moment. May your heart remain peaceful. May your mind remain clear. May your life be filled with kindness, balance, and light. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take one last deep breath. Smile softly. Welcome back. And may peace stay with you. always. Thank you. Subscribe to take more meditations.